What's going on, guys? It's Joe from Petty Fixes, and welcome back to the channel. So today I got a video for you all, and obviously the thumbnail and the title spoiled everything, but this is my setup and everything's actually working really good right now. The thing about it is I got some issues going on in here that's kind of troublesome. You won't even notice, everything looks perfect, but I notice, and when I put the PC together, it's actually like a little hodgepodge of materials and things like that, and my vertical GPU is kind of just hanging there. It's not actually supported by anything but that little thing right there. That's all it's supported by, just a piece of PTG tube, and I just stuck it in there. It's not a bracket of any kind in there. So with all that weight of the metal and all that weight of the water and the fluid that's flowing through there, it kind of concerns me, which is where this comes in. The Cablemod vertical PCI-E bracket. Now, I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. Matt from Cablemod in the Facebook group has been advertising it and talking about it for a little bit. And for me, this is exactly what I need, because this doesn't require any modding of any kind for your case. So with that said, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. I'm going to put it together and check it out. Okay, so I got the Cablemod vertical PCI-E bracket box. It actually comes in a pretty nice box. It's pretty detailed. On the front it tells you that I got the HDMI and display port bundle. It's black. It doesn't come in any other color. It does come with the PCI-E riser. Now, you don't have to purchase a separate riser cable for this, thank you Lord, because those things can get pretty expensive for a good quality one. So take a look at the back of the box. It just tells you what it does. It vertically mounts your PCI-E graphics card and installs securely with no modding required, and that's the big thing, because I didn't want to cut into my case. Quality powder finish complements your case, high-speed PCI-E riser cable included, and right angle display adapters included. And that's pretty cool, because that's pretty crucial in the non-modding part. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's open it up. So when you open up the box, here you get a certificate on congratulating for your purchase from the Cablemod vertical PCI-E adapter, which is pretty cool. Not a lot of companies offer a certificate of purchase congratulating you on your purchase. So a little minor thing, but it's always a good thing. And for an up-to-date installation for all the instructions and everything, just go to his website, cablemod.com/vpb-install, and it'll tell you exactly how to install it, how to put it together and everything. So set that to the side, and let's check this out. This looks to be actually the vertical PCI-E riser itself. It's pretty good quality too. It's pretty sturdy. Let's set this to the side and open it up in a second. And then here are the appropriate screws for install to put together the riser cable and the vertical bracket itself. So that's that. Then here is one of the display port cables. This one is a display port cable, and it has a pass through on the other side right there. We'll open all this up here in a second. Take a look at it. Then here is the other one. This is the HDMI cable. I got the HDMI and display port bracket adapters. As this is the package I chose. You can also get 2 display port adapters if you want to, for if you're doing like dual monitors and stuff like that, they have higher refresh rates. So that's that. And now to start the show itself, here is part 1 of the riser, or the vertical PCI bracket. It comes in 2 pieces, it looks like. I have to put it together, but here's the one that goes to the back of the case. It actually clamps onto the back of the case. You screw it in and stuff like that, I guess. So I haven't looked at the instructions or anything yet, but here's this. And then pulling out the second piece is this. This is the actual part where the graphics card sits at, and it looks like it's really high quality made, man. It's nice powder coat finish on it. It's all black, obviously. I mean, you could paint it to whatever color you want to paint it to if you're up for that, but I think I'm gonna leave mine all black, as you know, seeing as I got an all black and white aesthetic going on. The case itself right now is RGBing itself out, but you know, I always change my colors and things like that. But let's look at this. So let's go ahead and see if we can assemble it real quick. Oh, and nice little touch. Here's the Cablemod logo. I don't know if you can see it or not, but nice little Cablemod logo. It sits right there. So whenever your graphics card is actually sitting on top of this, Cablemod will be plainly visible inside your case. So I like that. Let's go ahead and try to check it out, put it together. Okay, so I got everything disassembled. Got a screwdriver. Actually, I think I grabbed the wrong one. And I got the 2 pieces, all the screws, everything that I need. So let me go get the proper screwdriver and we'll get this thing put together. Okay, so I got the unit itself assembled, and it actually is really sturdy, man. Like, it's extremely sturdy. The engineering that went behind this is actually pretty good, so I'm pretty impressed. Now let's take a look at the actual riser cable that comes with this unit. Okay, so here we have the riser cable still in its packaging. I haven't taken it out yet, so let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it real quick. It feels really high quality. I like the way it felt inside the package, but here it is. It's really nice feeling. Now I'll tell you one thing. I'm not trying to compare companies, but I have the vertical GPU riser bracket from what's it called? Cooler Master. I couldn't remember the name of it, excuse me. But I have it from Cooler Master. And I'll tell you, the one from Cooler Master feels like a little flimsy, and it actually isn't as long as this. I don't think it is. I don't remember it being as long. But right up in this area right here, like, this is sturdy, man. Like, this is really high quality. So once again, man, Cablemod's coming through with the high quality products and the high quality finish of their products. So definitely appreciate it. Now this looks like it attaches to this bracket. So let's go ahead and attach it to the bracket and let's see what the fully assembled product looks like. Okay, so y'all may have been hearing whatever kind of noise that was in the background. It's this little guy. It's my son Micah. He's just chilling right now, so if he makes some noises in the background, I'm sorry. He's about 4 months old, so he's in that stage where he just wants to talk and discover and learn and everything. So YouTube, this is the first time y'all getting to see my son Micah. So say what's up, Micah. Oh, don't go out of focus. Say what's up, Micah. Micah. He don't want to talk right now. You know, he want to be shy. Alright guys, so here's the unit fully assembled. And it was pretty easy to assemble, just about 5 screws or so. You screw the bracket right here in. You can see the screw right there, and it's a screw right there. And then on the back side, you screw the back piece, the little bottom part. You screw those 3 screws right there in, and it's secure. It's extremely sturdy. So I definitely like it. I like the fact that Cablemod brands their stuff also. They got a really simplistic logo. It's nothing crazy. You know, there's a logo right there on the riser cable. There's a logo sitting right in there also. Real inconspicuous. It's real small. And I like that it's like kind of like black embossed looking. So it kind of stands out, but it doesn't stand out too much. But yeah, that's it. This is what you get in the package. It's a pretty simplistic idea, and the best of all, requires absolutely no modding to your case. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna sit this down. That's the end of this video. You've been hearing my son in the background talking and stuff, but next video hopefully it'll be of me actually installing it inside here and replacing my little janky setup. And from what I can tell, this is actually going to cause it to sit forward in the case a little bit more. So I mean, I don't know how it's going to work out. I'm going to definitely have to redo my my tubing from the reservoir to the GPU, from the GPU to the radiator, which I'm cool with. I mean, I got plenty of tubing left here, so with that said, guys, I'm going to call this video quits. If you guys liked my unboxing and assembly of the Cablemod vertical PCI-E bracket, give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Helps the channel out a whole lot. And like my video, share my video if possible. Look, girlfriend calling me. But anyways, like the video, share it if possible. I greatly appreciate it, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.